What's up, guys? It's Osirus. So in the last video I did on the FL Studio reference manual series, I told you I'll share some YouTube channel that helped me with learning FL Studio, and I thought I should just make a quick video and tell you about some of these channels. So the first one is the FL Studio official channel. That's YouTube at FL_studio. So this is the FL Studio official YouTube channel. And in general, YouTube is one of the best platforms to learn FL Studio, and this official image line channel helped me a lot in learning FL Studio. So the second one I want to share is Seamless. So Seamless makes electronic music. So Seamless makes mostly sound design videos, and if you want to learn how to use different plugins in FL Studio, you should definitely check out Seamless. Yeah, Seamless was one of my biggest influence learning FL Studio, and then it does private lessons and they are very worth it. So check out Seamless. Next channel is In The Mix. So In The Mix makes mixing and mastering tutorials in FL Studio, and this is one of the best FL Studio resources for audio engineering. So check this channel out. The next one is Alex Moukala. So Alex makes orchestral music, film music in FL Studio, and lots of people say you can't make that kind of music in FL Studio, and Alex is just one of the people that proves these people wrong. So it teaches you how to make film music, how to make compositions and film scores in FL Studio. So check out Alex. So the next channel is BusyWorks Beats. So this is a good resource for hip hop producers, R&B producers, pop producers. This is a very good resource for anyone starting out with FL Studio. So the next channel is Tallchief, and Dylan makes very interesting videos on FL Studio, and he tries to break the rules and compare different digital audio workstations. So this is a very good resource. So the next channel is Another Monster Production. So this is a very good FL Studio resource. Makes different videos on music production, mixing, mastering, and makes videos on plugins, learning plugins in FL Studio. So check him out. So the next channel we'll be checking out is VayHoz. So VayHoz was one of the early resource I used when I was starting out. I think he uses Ableton now, but he used to make very good electronic music tutorials with FL Studio, and they are still very good tutorials to check out. So he helps me a lot, and I'm just giving him a shout out here. So the next channel is Benn Jordan. So Benn Jordan uses FL Studio, makes interesting things with FL Studio. And if you've not decided if you want to get FL Studio yet, check out this video. FL Studio 21 is way more powerful than you think. So the next channel we'll be checking out is They Call Me Hit, and it makes hip hop tutorials, boom bap tutorials on FL Studio. And I also make hip hop, I also make boom bap, and this channel has been really helpful. The next channel we'll be checking out. So what Frank Poole does is very, very interesting. So he takes a plugin, an external plugin, a popular plugin or a software, and replicates it in Patcher. So Patcher is a software in FL Studio where you can put different softwares together to make one big software. So that's to make one big sound. So that's the basic idea behind Patcher. So you can patch things together. So this guy replicates different plugins and makes a free Patcher edition. The last channel is my channel, Osirus. I make videos on music production and FL Studio. So the links to all these channels will be in the description below. I hope you guys are having a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.